Want to make money online but don't know where to start? What if I told you AI could help you launch 5 income streams without coding or big capital? Let's dive into the top 5 AI side hustles you can start today. Hey, welcome. My name is Smart Gabriel, and here, tech meets income the right way. AI has leveled the playing field. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or 9-to-5 worker, tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Suno make it easier than ever to earn online. No tech degree needed, just strategy and consistency. The top 5 hustles. 1. AI content writing. Use ChatGPT to create blog posts, YouTube scripts, or newsletters. Sell them on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. AI art prints. Use Midjourney to design stunning visuals. Upload to Etsy or Redbubble as digital prints. 3. Generate AI music or voiceovers and sell them on freelancing platforms. 4. Social media automation. Use tools like Opus Clip or Canva AI to manage and schedule client content. 5. AI video or thumbnail services. Create YouTube thumbnails, shorts, or full videos with tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML. Start small. Pick one hustle. Learn the tool. Use free trials. Post your services on freelancing sites or sell directly on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Remember, people don't pay for AI, they pay for results. AI won't just replace jobs, it will build new ones for those who move early. Start now, test often, and grow fast. I'm Smart Gabriel, turning tech into income, one video at a time. Subscribe for weekly AI tools, tech skills, and smart money strategies. Because in 2025, knowledge pays. AI